Hello friends, welcome to Basic UPSC Concept channel. Let's discuss the international organization SAARC. SAARC is a South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. SAARC was established in the 1985 in the Dhaka. The secretariat of the SAARC is located in the Kathmandu, which is somewhere here in the Nepal. The main objective of the SAARC to promote the welfare of the people of South Asia and to improve their quality of life, to accelerate the economic growth in territorial integrity and mutual trust. Last SAARC summit was held in the 2014 and the subsequent summit could not be held after the 2016 summit scheduled in the Pakistan got cancelled in the backdrop of the terrorist attack in the Pathankot and Uri. It means last summit was held in the 2014. Decisions at all the levels are taken on the basis of unanimity. The summit-level meeting of the heads of the states is the highest decision-making authority under the SAARC. SAFTA, South Asian Free Trade Agreement, the FTA of SAARC, which came into force in the 2006. The member countries of the SAARC are India, Bhutan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Pakistan, and Afghanistan. Total member countries of the SAARC are 8. The most important thing here is when we talk about the South Asian countries, South means we consider Maldives, and when we talk about the Southeast means ASEAN, that time we consider Myanmar. So this is the most important thing you should remember. Thanks for watching our video. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.